Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and in this pattern we used nested for loop to create this pattern. So firstly we create outer for loop that is used to move rows. So we create outer loop with the help of lower and upper limit. So we take lower limit as 1 and upper limit as 6, and this outer for loop is goes from 1 to 5, and now inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop, and we take 6 as a lower limit, and I as a upper limit, and -1 as the step value. And inside this inner for loop we print j we print star, and equals to double quotes. That is used to print the star in the same row, and outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. So when you run this program, the exact output is shown as below. I is used as an variable for outer for loop, and j is used as an variable for inner for loop. And outer for loop takes 1 as lower limit, and 6 as upper limit, and inner for loop takes 6 as lower limit, and I as upper limit, and -1 as the step value, and print star using print function inside this inner for loop. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, because it is a very important pattern for preparation of mock interviews and campus placements. And this is the beginner series for learning pattern programming from scratch. If you are a beginner in pattern programming, then you can start watch the Python programming pattern playlist. So thank you guys, and like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt or concern related to this pattern, you can ask me anytime. And happy new year to all of you in advance, and move ahead, and all the best.